And just to reiterate the point you made earlier, as humans, we have a tendency to buy high and sell low, right? And yet, when I got to Bankers Trust, they said your job is to buy low and sell high, or sell high and buy low. Either way, do it. But like our natural emotions, funny enough, are to do the opposite, which means when all the hype is there, fear of missing out. And then, when it starts hitting the lows, we just think, oh my gosh, it's panic time. And so you have to almost train yourself out of that or not play that game. Agreed, crypto day trading, you got to have your head examined. And these days, like when I was at Bankers Trust, Dan, I could trade mercantile futures on the Singapore exchange if I called them at night, right? Otherwise, my liquidity was removed from me, right? These days, you got the mobile phone with the blinky colors and the thing that has been adapted from the gambling industry, right? to get your attention, now showing you prices and then news that gets you to transact. So people really need to not be crypto day traders. I forgot what the figure is, but it's something like high 70, 80% of lose money on a regular basis. So they need to really resist the temptation to go do that and to try to find either a disciplined strategy or someone else to do the trading for them. Is that what you'd say?
Oh yeah, that's my suggestion is, figure out what you're able to risk and then, put it in a potentially diversified basket of assets, not just all in one. And then try and hold it for years. Anyone that's ever held Bitcoin for 3.25 years can make money. So, if no matter what, and there's been 83% on average bear markets in that. So here's another great stat on Bitcoin is although we've had 4 massive bear markets, 83% on average, just had a 55% one. In the last 10 years, there's only been 1 year that's printed a new low. So if you are able to hold it for a multi-year period, at least historically, it's always bailed you out. I actually think it's true going forward that, if you buy any cryptocurrency now and you hold it for a few years, you're probably going to get, a profit. But that's the main point is, don't get over your skis when everybody's going crazy about it, and then don't, liquidate, at the lows.